So we got Healing Through Inspiration coming in. Let's see what you got. Healing Through Inspiration. Let's bring you in here. What you got? Healing Through Inspiration. What up, homie?
Hey, I'm a big fan. Appreciate you, bro.
I'm honored. Where you at?
I'm in Flint, Michigan.
Oh, Lord. How's the water?
Man, it's ice cold out there, bro. I swear to God.
I'm talking about what's up with y'all water? Are they getting that thing fixed?
Oh, how's the water? Man, you know, they trying to kill it. They trying to kill original habitats off. I'm gonna just say it like that.
Yeah, we gotta keep it PG. Yeah. So are they working on it, or what are they doing?
They say the media lie and say it's fixed, but I can tell you right now, if I pour from that sink right there, that water, it don't taste right. Don't nobody drink from that water, bro.
Yeah, that's a mess.
You know what? There'll be some
I got this right here. Everybody drink. Everybody get bottled water. You hear me?
There'll be some good content too, Healing. There'll be some good content.
Man, investigative journalism is like, let me show you what the water's really like.
And that's why I'm a health coach. Like I provide healthy reasons, like how to, reverse cancer, reverse diabetes, reverse heart disease, reverse alopecia, reverse asthma. This is all natural stuff. I'm a holistic health coach. I got this stuff on my YouTube channel. I got everything on my website, and it's there for free. You dig?
Sweet.
And how to repair their own vision too. Because I see my brother got glasses. I used to wear glasses. I don't wear glasses anymore. I healed my own vision.
You might be a Dr. Sabi Jr.
Yeah, that is a big, I appreciate that, bro.
I'm serious.
Because I'll go to, one time I went to the eye doctors. I used to have, we used to wear glasses. One night, the eye doctor used to tell me that, you got to wear your glasses. I used to wear them, man. It used to hurt so much. Your bridge of your nose. I'm sure my brother knows it hurts so freaking much, man. And it's just like sensitive. It's like damaged tissue. And I just stopped wearing. I got tired of it. So I stopped wearing my glasses. I had an eye doctor's appointment. He goes up, you do the little test. You know how they scan you, whatever. You're supposed to read the thing, A, B, C, the letters, different sizes. And so when I finished the test, he's like, oh, wow. So you've been wearing your glasses. I was like, okay. But I said to myself, I haven't been wearing my glasses. How is it that my vision improved when I was not wearing my glasses?
Wow. That's deep, man. I want to see that.
You know what, too? Yeah, and the thing is, too, because you had to think, when you come out the womb, were you born with glasses?
Nope.
See, no. The question is, with that itself is then you don't need glasses, because if you were born with it, because if you did need them, you would have been born with it.
Okay, that's true. That's true. The channel, Healing. What you got, man? What is this? You here?
Yeah, that's us.
I see you got saved. Okay, so you are, man. You already on it.
Yep. The say you see all in the thumbnails. I just finished. Uploaded the last 10-day dry fast. You know what I'm saying? I touch on a lot of stuff. I touch on narcissistic abuse. I talk about hair videos. Culture. You see all the healthy foods and whatnot. You dig? Fruits, vegetables. Mangoes, watermelon, blackberries.
Wow, you doing? AJ, what are you thinking?
I mean, I'm liking that because I'm about ready to subscribe, so I can make sure I can go through some stuff. The first thing I would probably say is, just like with any store or just when you're introducing yourself, it's the first view is really important. So I see all your content, but that's only after I click on videos.
Okay, you talking about his homepage, AJ?
Yeah, on his homepage on YouTube, when I go to it, I just see it. To me, I'm again, you got to think novices. As much as we're teaching about YouTube, 90% of people on YouTube have no clue what YouTube is. I still have people saying, "Oh, AJ, I wouldn't subscribe to you because I don't want to pay for it," not even realizing the subscription doesn't cost anything. So these are the people that you're dealing with. So I say, when I look at your channel, you got good content because I'm on YouTube. But if I go to your page, it's like, oh, he only has 6 videos.
Why is that, Healing? Why is that?
What do you mean?
Why do we only see 6 videos here?
What are you talking about? I got more. I upload every single day. Go to videos.
No. Go, AJ. Go ahead. Go.
I think that's what Kris was talking about. Yeah, you upload to videos. But what we're saying is we need to think about people who are not used to YouTube. So for example, what you need to do is customize your page. So like if you go to mine here, you see how you're offering your content to people. So if you scroll down some, Kris, see, I'm offering stuff that I want people to focus on. If you don't set up anything on your customized page, YouTube is just going to grab your first 6 videos and that's it.
Oh.
And the only way people would know, now that's all my videos segmented off. Like I have a playlist of, oh, you're new here. This is what I think you need to do. Oh, here are my most popular videos. That's the very first top thing that I have do. Then I have another section that says every last video that I've done, have another playlist for this is what I recommend for new people. So for you, yeah, your video section, the column, that's great. Yeah, that's going to show everything. But we want to serve them. Yeah, like if you go to a restaurant, they just don't give you everything. They have everything segmented. These are the appetizers. These are the entrees. This is the dessert. This is how you need to treat your first page. In other words, if you want people to stay on your page, you need to guide them to where they want to stay. You want to guide them through your content. Say, oh, man, hey, I want to get rid of my glasses. Hey, I take insulin for diabetes.
Wow.
Make that jump out to me first, because again, YouTube is for answering questions. So if I come to your page and it's like inspiration through healing, then I'm like, playlist, how to cure cancer, how to cure diabetes, how to cure this. And that's what jumps out on your homepage. You're going to get people to want to stay there instead of making them search for your content.
AJ, show them where to do. Do you remember where to do? Oh, obviously you do. There's a specific place you got to go, healing. It's going to say edit your home page.
Yeah, they've changed it a couple of times.
Changes.
If you go under,
you can't do it from your. You got to do it from your like
your
main
studio.
Yeah,
I think they changed it.
You could just Google that though, right? Healing. What do you think, AJ? Just have a Google how to change homepage.
Well, no, actually, if you just go to studio, they made it a jump out now. And if you just right when you go to YouTube Studio, it's going to be right there to the left. Customization. Yep. And then that's when you can start doing all that stuff.
Here's mine, healing. So you come in, you got my best videos, right? Next one, you got my phenomenal entrepreneurs, right? Next, most recent upload. So I'm not saying you got to do mine, dog. I'm just like, so this is the stuff you have to manually add, and it's going to take a little time. You have to do a little bit of thinking and creating where you want stuff to go. AJ, I think, man, you really hit that.
Yeah, I mean, because it's not a one-time thing. It's not a one-time thing. Some things like I mean, it's like, when you start doing your most popular videos, that can stay up there, because that's just going to start building when people start going to it. But like, you know what? Hey, we're on a keto diet or whatever. I don't know the aspects of everything and how you got it, but it might be like, man, this is popping off right now, so I need to make a playlist and make that be the top of my list, because that's what's popular right now.
Healing, you there? You got too much? We didn't give you too much, do we?
No, I'm just writing it down. I'm a student, bro. I'm just writing it down.
You got some phenomenal content, dude.
I appreciate that, bro. It's for the people. It's for the people.
I see that.
Yeah. And I think that's the thing is, all of us have great content, but if I've never met you before, I don't know what your content is. So this is like your storefront. Present your information there.
You right, bro. You're right, brother, man. Golly.
Yeah. All right. So you got a little bit of homework to do, brother Healing.
Right. Absolutely. Remember, like, and the thing is, I'm trying to figure out, how do I grow? How do I grow? How do I get the views, and how do I get the more subscribers? As much I know it's growing, but I would like for it to grow a lot more.
AJ, I'm gonna let you go there. I'm concerned about your thumbnails. We'll go, AJ. I want to hear what he's gonna say.
I was gonna say that, and I'm getting ready to pull up one of your videos real quick. So I'm looking at some of your key tags right now, like your most recent one.
You want to share your screen, AJ? Do you want me to bring yours up?
Yeah, I'll do that.
All right.
So let me
bring you in. Keywords. Did you say keywords, AJ?
Yeah.
This is some powerful shit, dude.
All right, you can see me now?
Yeah.
All right, so like right here, I see your keywords right here. So you're talking about dry fast. So what I would do here, First off, if you don't have like TubeBuddy or vidIQ, get that, because that will help you get this breakout that you see on Chris's and on my page right now. So it'll analyze what you're doing.
Got to have it.
So when I'm looking at your stuff right now, I can click here and show rankings.
Yeah, I got vidIQ, the basic one. I didn't.
Yeah, I mean, no, the basic still works. So you don't have to pay for this. But right now, Healing Through Inspiration, of course, you're going to be #1 for that because that's your name. Right. But everything else, nothing else that you have right now is getting any ranking. So people are not going to find you unless they dig down. But right now it says cure heart disease. So what I would do is how to _ and then, or actually just do _ heart.
Why _ AJ?
_ will give you everything that anybody is actually looking for. Wow. It's like a wild card. So right now, by me just doing _ heart disease, this is what everybody is looking for right now related to heart disease. Now you can put that _ anywhere. So you can do how to, and now these are the keys: how to prevent heart disease, how to cure heart disease, how to treat heart disease. What I would do, take every single one of these tags and put them in your tags for your video.
Dang. Okay. See what I was doing before, because sometimes I just, since I upload like every single day, it's like I do it off my phone a lot. I would just go to like Google, like the Google search and go all the way to the bottom, and that just lets you know the highest search things, and I would just paste them into there as make as my tags.
Well, see that's your long tail, but you need to have short ones as well too. The idea is, first off, when somebody looks up, if I was to give you a goal, your goal would be when anybody's looking up healing and inspiration, not through, because that's a common word, anywhere where there's healing and inspiration, they should find you. And when they find you, they should find healing and inspiration. And you want to grow around a keyword to where obviously healing through inspiration should be a tag everywhere in your video, or your brand, whatever you decide to name it, and then devy all that stuff off of that. And then you're looking for when, like, for example, when you're talking about 10 dry fast and no food water with watermelon, stuff like that, whatever that title is, I would say change that title into answering a question.
Keywords.
So it's like, how do I dry fast for 10 days? And then you can put whatever else you want, because the question is what people are looking for, an answer to a question. No one is not really looking for breaking Dr. Seba 10 dry fat. Nobody's looking for that. You want to find people where they're at. So even if your content is great, it's like, how can I design this to make it when people see like Kris was getting ready to probably talk about, your thumbnail as well as the title, you're going to get sold. You're going to sell them right there.
Being that my brother Kris, said like I'm the new Dr. Sebi, and I'm going to be honest with you with this stuff right here. Like I've been facing some combat, I guess online combat through this with my content, as far as, because I've been releasing a lot of content, and I've seen that it's been removed and it's been getting age restrictions. And like how to grow an alkaline garden for beginners 2020.
That's getting removed?
It got an age restriction for, you have to be 18 and up. But the thing is, in my content, in my own personal life, I try not to swear. And in my videos, I don't use swear words, and it's very appropriate. But I'm getting it with age restrictions, and I swear you can even check. There's a recent video or the thumbnail is how to cure cancer. Yet I met with an age restriction. I'm going to file an appeal for that today. I just had to have somebody send some documents so I can appeal it. So this is natural. This is natural, holistic stuff. And this is what I'm saying. Like, I want to grow, and this is for the better of the people. You dig what I'm saying? Like,
AJ, what do you say to that?
Now, when you do your videos, YouTube changed this in July of last year or something, to where it does the age restriction on it. When you upload your videos, I mean, do you check? I mean, well, you have to do it. You check off that this is not child appropriate.
Yeah.
Okay. And you can also set that to your default. So it always does that every time when you upload as well too. If you have it to say that it's not child appropriate, like I have mine, even though kids watch my stuff, my daughter watches it. So I'm happy about that, but I'm kind of don't, because if too many kids start looking at, they'll start flagging your stuff. But yeah, if you show that it's not meant for kids, that's really it. There's the only thing else I can think is maybe a computer is filing your stuff wrong, but I don't know. I mean, the only thing else I would add to that is make that a part of your handle. Like, just like when I describe at the beginning of, I give my message, my mission at the beginning of my videos, make that cool. I mean, at the beginning of it, it's like, hey, I'm teaching about this, this, and this. Please let you know that this content is meant for, is not child appropriate, it's for 18 above. I mean, even if it's just that little thing to where if somebody tries to come back and says, man, I can't help it, kids watching it. I'm flagging it right with the tools you gave me. And I'm saying that this is not for kids.
Good point there. Wow, that's deep, AJ. So the video, the algorithm will strip that off and actually.
Okay. Because I just didn't feel like it was fair. I have a gardening video. I'm telling people how to grow blackberries. But then, you know, I'm not monetized. But then there's videos that are monetized and they're talking about malicious things, very harmful things. And again, YouTube is putting ads on this and they're paying it and they're putting it on the front page and etc.
Yeah, that's interesting. I mean, I'll put it this way. I like YouTube. I really do. Let me just be honest. Most of it it's about 77,000 videos are watched every second on YouTube. And there's no way for a person to do it. A computer is doing it. And as a computer science major, program, do all the other stuff, and I got the background in it, no computer program is perfect. Yeah. I've heard, and I've even had stuff falsely marked. So unfortunately, you know, you might have to work within the confines of that. But I mean, it's the fact that you're documenting it. I would say everything that you can possibly do, whether you got to put a lower third that just says, as a reminder, this is not for this or something like that.
Could be. All right, man. Let me keep moving, brother. Brother Healing, it's great to meet you. Good seeing you.
Yeah, it's great seeing you, brother. Appreciate your work.
Please keep doing what you're doing, man. We need you, dog.
Well, for sure, for sure. You too, man. We need you too, because we appreciate you. You know, you telling us how to get the money, you know what I'm saying? How to be abundant, you hear me?
You're right.
And you got a new sub. I just subbed to you too.
Okay, yeah. I appreciate that for sure. We're going to be in contact, all right?
All right, we gone. Thank you, Healing. Talk to you soon, bro.
I'll talk to you soon, brother.
Yeah.